If you love fishing but want to take your game to the next level, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down 30 of the best fishing gadgets that will make your fishing trips more fun, efficient, and successful. From high-tech fishing drones and underwater cameras to smart fishing tools that help you catch more fish with less effort, we've got something for every angler. And be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end because the last gadget will blow your mind. First up, we have the LED light-up bobbers. Fishing at night or in low-light conditions can be frustrating when you can't see your line. These LED light-up bobbers make it easy to track your bait, even in the dark. The LED light-up bobbers are bright, water-resistant, and designed to float effortlessly. They're perfect for night fishing and work great for catching walleye, crappie, and other species that bite in low visibility. With long-lasting illumination, these bobbers enhance your fishing experience and make sure you never miss a bite. Next is the weather tracking fishing watch. Ever found yourself heading out for a fishing trip only to get caught in unexpected weather changes? Say goodbye to surprises with this clever solution. The Weather Tracking Fishing Watch is a durable, feature-packed watch designed specifically for anglers. It helps track weather conditions, moon phases, and tide information to ensure you're fishing at the perfect time. With just a glance at your wrist, you can monitor barometric pressure trends and get real-time fishing forecasts. It's perfect for serious anglers who rely on precise conditions to maximize their catch. Moving on to our next gadget, we present the fishing rod holders. Say goodbye to tangled rods and messy storage. The cuff-up fishing rod holders keep your fishing gear neatly organized, whether you're at home, in your garage, or on a fishing trip. This rotating rack securely stores multiple rods while allowing easy access when you're ready to cast your line. It's perfect for anglers who love efficiency and tidiness. On our number 4 spot, we have the fishing chair. Catching fish is a job that needs time and patience. Stay comfortable and rest easy while waiting for the big catch with this foldable fishing chair. Designed with a sturdy steel frame, anti-slip feet, and a breathable seat, this chair is compact yet durable, perfect for long hours by the water. Whether you're fishing by the shore, on a dock, or even camping, this lightweight and portable chair ensures a relaxing experience wherever you go. The number 5 gadget is the fishing drone. The ultimate fishing upgrade is here. The Potensic fishing drone takes your angling game to new heights, literally. This high-tech drone lets you scout for fish from above, helping you locate the best spots before you even cast your line. With crystal-clear transmission and beginner-friendly controls, you can drop your bait with precision and increase your chances of landing the big one. Say goodbye to endless guessing and hello to smart fishing with this cutting-edge drone. At number 6, we have the Fish Lip Gripper. Handling fish can be tricky, especially when dealing with sharp teeth or slippery scales. The Fish Lip Gripper provides a secure grip, making it easy to land and release fish without harming them or yourself. This non-slip, durable gripper is designed for a firm hold, even on the biggest catches. It's a must-have for anglers looking to make catch and release fishing safer and more efficient. Next up is the wearable fishing rod holder. Ever struggled to juggle your fishing rod while trying to tie a knot, bait a hook, or take a quick break? This handy gadget solves that problem. The wearable fishing rod holder is a hands-free device that clips onto your waist or belt, securely holding your rod while you focus on other tasks. It's a must-have for any angler who wants more convenience on the water. With its sturdy, lightweight design, this holder keeps your rod in place, reducing strain on your hands and arms. No more awkward balancing acts, just seamless, hassle-free fishing. Moving on to our next gadget, we have the Garmin Striker. Never second-guess where the fish are hiding. The Garmin Striker fish finder takes the guesswork out of fishing by using sonar technology to scan beneath the water's surface. With a crisp display and built-in GPS, you can mark your favorite fishing spots and navigate with confidence. Whether you're fishing in lakes or open waters, this device is a game changer for any serious angler. On our number 9 spot, we have the microfiber fishing towels. Keep your hands and gear clean with these highly absorbent microfiber fishing towels. Designed to wipe away dirt, bait residue, and fish slime effortlessly, these towels are a must-have for every angler. With a quick-drying, lightweight design, they clip onto your belt or tackle box, making them super convenient for on-the-go cleaning. The number 10 gadget on our list is the fishing line winder. Tired of tangled messes when spooling your fishing line? The Piscifun fishing line winder is here to save the day. This easy-to-use tool lets you spool your reels quickly and without any frustrating twists or knots. Whether you're using spinning, bait casting, or spin cast reels, this winder ensures a smooth and even line lay, so you're always ready to fish. Say goodbye to hand-spooling struggles and hello to effortless, tangle-free setups. At number 11, we have the umbrella hat. Fishing in the sun or rain can be uncomfortable, but the umbrella hat keeps you protected hands-free. This lightweight, adjustable hat provides full coverage from sun and rain, allowing you to fish comfortably without worrying about the elements. It's perfect for anglers who need shade without the hassle of carrying an umbrella. Next up is the fishing electric lures. Tired of lures that just sit there, hoping a fish will take notice? These innovative electric lures take things up a notch. The fishing electric lures are rechargeable, self-swimming lures designed to mimic real fish movement. They attract more bites by wiggling and darting through the water like a live fish. With a built-in LED light and a USB charging option, these lures work wonders in both clear and murky waters. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this high-tech lure is a game-changer for boosting your fishing success. At number 13, we present fishing knot tying cards. Tying knots like a pro has never been easier. These waterproof fishing knot tying cards provide step-by-step instructions for the most reliable fishing knots. Clip them onto your tackle box or backpack and have a handy guide anytime you need to secure your line. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, these cards are a must-have for any fishing trip. The number 14 gadget on our list is the wader socks. Say goodbye to uncomfortable waders. These frictionless wader socks make sliding into your waders quick and hassle-free. Crafted with a snug yet flexible fit, they reduce chafing and keep your feet warm in cold waters. Perfect for fishermen, hunters, or anyone spending time in wet conditions, these socks help you stay comfortable all day long. On our number 15 spot, we have the fishing leaders. A broken line can mean the difference between catching a trophy fish or losing it forever. Enter Yoto fishing leaders, a game changer for serious anglers. Made with nylon-coated steel and equipped with swivels, these leaders provide extra strength and durability, reducing the chances of your line snapping under pressure. They're perfect for handling sharp-toothed fish like pike and muskie. Say goodbye to lost catches and hello to strong, reliable fishing with these must-have leaders. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. At number 16, we have fishing shirts for men. Spending hours under the sun can be rough on your skin. These long-sleeve fishing shirts are designed with UPF protection to keep you cool and shielded from harmful UV rays. Made with breathable, moisture-wicking fabric, these shirts keep you dry and comfortable all day. They're a must-have for serious anglers who want to stay protected and stylish on the water. Next up is the fishing gloves. Ever struggled to get a firm grip on a slippery fish? Or worried about cuts and scrapes while handling your catch? These gloves have got you covered. The fishing gloves are specially designed to protect your hands while giving you a strong, non-slip grip. Made with durable, water-resistant material, they keep your hands safe from sharp fins, hooks, and rough fish scales. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, these gloves ensure you can handle your catch with confidence. No more painful slips, just a firm, secure grip every time. Gadget number 18 on our list is the Transport Device Release Fishing Bait. Take baiting to the next level with this high-tech transport device release for fishing bait. Designed to deliver your bait exactly where you want it, this gadget is perfect for precision fishing. Whether you're surf fishing or targeting deep waters, this device ensures your bait lands right in the strike zone, maximizing your chances of landing a big one. On our number 19 spot, we have the Fishing Kit Combo. Need a compact and reliable fishing kit? This fishing kit combo has everything you need, from pliers and lures to essential tools for a successful trip. Designed for beginners and seasoned anglers alike, it's perfect for making quick fixes and improving your fishing setup on the spot. The number 20 gadget is the Fishing Claw Gripper. Want a safe and easy way to handle your catch? The Fishing Claw Gripper has you covered. Designed for secure, one-handed operation, this tool firmly grips your fish without harming it, making catch and release a breeze. Plus, its non-slip handle and corrosion-resistant material ensure long-lasting performance, even in salt water. Say goodbye to slippery fish escapes and hello to a firm, reliable grip. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets are must-haves. At number 21, we have the Fishing Backpack. Carrying all your fishing gear can be a hassle. This fishing backpack is designed with multiple compartments to store your tackle, reels, and even a water bladder for hydration. With durable construction and comfortable straps, it's perfect for any fishing adventure, whether you're heading to the lake, river, or ocean. Next up is the LED fishing light bulb. Fishing at night or in deep waters, this bright little gadget will bring the fish right to you. The LED fishing light bulb is designed to attract fish with its glowing illumination, making it easier to catch them in low-light conditions. It's perfect for night fishing, ice fishing, or deep-sea angling. With its waterproof and energy-efficient design, this light bulb lasts for hours and works in all kinds of weather. Simply drop it in the water and watch as fish gather around, making your fishing trips more productive. The number 23 gadget is called the Underwater Fishing Camera. Get a fish's eye view of the action with the Underwater Fishing Camera. This high-definition camera gives you a real-time look beneath the surface, revealing where the fish are hiding and how they react to your bait. With a wide-angle lens and night vision capabilities, it's an incredible tool for anglers who want to improve their fishing game and capture some amazing underwater footage. At number 24, we have the easiest fishing knots. Master fishing knots like a pro with this waterproof reference card. Whether you're tying a strong line to hook knot or a secure loop, this guide provides easy, step-by-step instructions to improve your fishing skills. Compact and built to last, it's a great tool for any angler wanting to boost their knot tying game. Moving on to our gadget number 25, we have the Fishing Landing Net. Well, I know it's a must thing, but here's the heads up. Make every catch count with the RESTCLOUD Fishing Landing Net, an essential tool for every angler. This telescoping net extends to reach your fish with ease, while the durable, fish-friendly mesh prevents harm during landing. Whether you're fishing from a boat, dock, or shore, this net helps you secure your catch safely. Say goodbye to last-second escapes and hello to effortless landings. At number 26, we have the Headlamp Flashlight. Fishing in low-light conditions requires good visibility. This ultralight, rechargeable headlamp provides hands-free illumination, so you can focus on reeling in your next big catch. With multiple brightness settings and a waterproof design, this headlamp is a game-changer for night fishing and early morning trips. Next up is the Fishing Knot Puller Tool. Tying strong, secure knots is crucial in fishing, but let's be honest, it's not always easy. This tool takes the hassle out of the process. The Fishing Knot Puller Tool is a compact, easy-to-use gadget designed to help you tighten knots without hurting your fingers. It provides a secure grip so you can pull your knots tight with precision. Perfect for all skill levels, this tool ensures your knots stay strong, reducing the chances of losing a big catch. Whether you're tying on hooks, lures, or leaders, this is a must-have addition to your tackle box. On our number 28 spot, we present Boat Scuff Erasers. Keep your boat looking pristine with these premium Boat Scuff Erasers. Easily remove dirt, grime, and scuff marks with minimal effort. No harsh chemicals needed. Just a few swipes, and your boat will look brand new again. Perfect for boat owners who take pride in a clean and well-maintained vessel. Gadget number 29 is the Fishy Hands Deodorizer. No more lingering fish smells. This angler's deodorizer is designed to eliminate tough fish odors from your hands, gear, and surfaces. With powerful cleaning agents and a fresh scent, it wipes away stubborn fishy smells in seconds. Perfect for fishermen who want to clean up quickly after a successful day on the water. Finally, we have the waterproof walkie-talkies. Stay connected on the water with the Pexton waterproof walkie-talkies. These long-range, waterproof radios keep you in touch with your fishing buddies, even in tough weather conditions. With clear audio, rechargeable batteries, and built-in flashlights, they're perfect for night fishing, deep sea trips, or remote fishing spots. Say goodbye to lost signals and hello to reliable hands-free communication on your next fishing adventure. And there you have it. We hope these 30 gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for to make your fishing experience more exciting and fun. And if you like this video, make sure to watch this next one. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time,